Hey guys, it's Ryan Superlock here, and I'm reacting to Being PuppyCat full series by Cartoon Hangover, episode 1 through 10, and I'm watching this because I know you guys liked it. If you didn't like it, there wouldn't be views. You wouldn't have watched it unless you're like masochists who torture themselves just for the nice pleasure of it. I like it. Whatever. But who cares what my viewers are? If you hate it, you hate it. If you like it, you like it. If you like it, subscribe and do what you know I like. If you hate it, you can hate it and just dislike and don't have to subscribe whatsoever. It's all based on your own opinion. So let's get into this video, and let me stop wasting time right now. Bad Ryan. Now let us react.
Stupid.
Wait for my
Stupid, God!
And from the sacrifice of one, a bounty of life
The
springs
child drew
forth.
that.
For as the lamb is laid in the soil, the flesh may
Oh,
rot,
she's pissed.
but the soul
Sure, she's angry. I know.
nurtures the crop.
You turn people into
He's so scared.
You're here, and yet my livestock feeds my innocent animals. Do not punish them for my indiscretion.
I killed your stupid cherry thing, but this gun I have, it works better than people.
Can I play?
My payment was supposed to be the sweet release of death and a permanent home for the soul.
I'm taking this. You didn't have all these animals? I'd murder you.
These animals don't care though. You're about to see why.
Oh, the sweetness of
They start eating him.
God.
Hello?
I don't understand.
You got back late.
Jelly bean, the size of a freaking head. They're easy to bite them.
Hey, let's go.
Why drop that on the floor? It's good for my stomach.
No, I promised you a leather jacket, but since we didn't get paid, I had to kind of recycle one. Okay, open your eyes. Ooh, it's my old jacket from when I was a baby. Yeah,
It's constantly angry.
You're welcome.
Ew.
Rain makes me tired.
Ow.
Oh man, this salad looks good. What did you get?
It's yogurt.
That's all you're having for lunch?
It'll be cheese. It will be cheese.
Ew.
Well, if you want some of my salad, you can have it.
Thank you, pretty Patrick.
We'll be back to the Pretty Patrick lunchtime marathon for the break.
And the dude's letting you reduce. They got some voice cracks. And I'm talking from personal experience, man.
Stay tuned. We're playing every episode of Pretty Patrick Lunchtime, leading up to a special new episode where we reveal Pretty Patrick's favorite food.
Why? Not cooking for him.
Touch my hair.
Yeah, okay.
That's toilet water.
Ew. Same reaction.
Cardamom, how's school?
Cardamom.
It's okay.
How's your mom?
And then
Still
cardamom.
sleeping. Your toilet is leaking into my toilet. I'll
That's
fix it for you.
Not
Oh, you
how
have to do that.
toilet.
Of course I do. I'm your landlord.
Your house ain't
now.
under hers. That's not how toilets work.
I'm sorry.